And our verse of the day is found in the book of Luke chapter 12 verses 25 and 26. Can all your worries add a single moment to your life? And if worry can't accomplish a little thing like that, what's the use of worrying over bigger things? And this is a question, and this is our verse of the day. uJesu ukhuluma nabantu kule chapter uthi, can all your worries add a single moment to your life? Ngabe ukukhathazeka kuyakwazi yini ukuba kunezela isikhathi empilweni yakho? Ngabe ukukhathazeka kwakho kuyakwazi yini kube khona into kuyi-edayo eyivalue nenamandla empilweni yakho? Uma ukhathazekile kungakwazi ukuthi edeke noma i-hour noma umzuzu empilweni yakho, then why worry if worrying does not add anything into your life? uJesu wayekhuluma nabantu lana ngoba ebona ukuthi abantu bakhathazekile ngezinto eziningi. Usekhuluma nabo uyabatshela ukuthi uma nje unokukhathazeka, one, kukutshela ukuthi wena eyakho inhliziyo nowakho umqondo awukho enkosini, awumthemba uNkulunkulu. Because if you trust God, you're not worried about anything, ngoba you know that your God is in control and your God is in charge. Now worrying is a first sign yokuthi wena awumthemba uNkulunkulu, ngoba bonke abemethemba uNkulunkulu abakhathazeki. Ngoba uzokhathazekelani unomuntu omthembayo ukuthi is got everything in control, everything is under control. Now if you are worried, it's a sign ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyamkhonza yena kodwa uyasho ukuthi hayi, angithembi mina le ndoda. Ngoba ma ungakhathazeki kusho ukuthi uyamthemba lo Nkulunkulu omkhonzayo. There's a story that I read of a young man who was always riding a bus eya ekhaya noma eya esikoleni. Now the bus driver was his father, and ubaba wakhe wayemthanda ngendlela emangalisayo lo mfana. Maye esikoleni uhamba ngobaba wakhe, ebhasini elishayela ubaba wakhe, noma ebuye esikoleni uhamba ngebhasi elishayela ubaba wakhe. Ngendlela ayemthanda ngayo ubaba wakhe wayebona ukuthi akekho omunye umuntu angamthinta makukhona ubaba wakhe. Ngendlela ayemthemba ngayo ubaba wakhe wayazi ukuthi ubaba wakhe will never even nangelodwa ilanga avumele into embi kuba yenzeke kuye. Now this one day ubaba wakhe is driving the bus as normal, babuya esikoleni sebebuyela emakhaya, and this little boy is sitting at the back. Ubaba wakhe is washing udriver ibhasi ngespeed esiphezulu. Bonke abantwana abalanga phakathi ebhasini sebe worried, bayasaba, babona indlela udriver agijima ngayo, babona ukuthi ngenzeka noma yini ngendlela ibhasi eligijima ngayo. Kodwa into eyibonakala engajwayelekile lapha ebhasini kwakubonakala lo mfana eyihlalele emumva erelaxile, engakhathazeke ngalutho, engasabi. And zonke ezinye ingane lapha ngaphakathi ebhasini ziyakhala, ziyamemeza, sezime ngeenyawo, abanye babamba ihlalo ngoba bayasaba ukuthi ngenzeka noma yini bese ibhasi sikulona liyakhinqika. Mambe sondela kulo mfana omncane oyihlalele emumva, ongakhathazeki, ongasabi lutho, noma ibhasi lijika amakhona, urelaxile, uhleli. Mabembuza this young boy, but why you are not worried? Sibe sikhathazeke kangaka sonke lasibona ibhasi ukuthi lingawa noma yinini. Waphendula umfana eyikhululekele, relaxile, wathi no, I'm not worried. My father is the driver and my father is in control. Futhi ubaba uyazi ukuthi ngilanga phakathi ebhasini angeke azavume ukuba kwenzeke into embi kumina, ngoba uyazi ubaba ukuthi nami ngilama. Ngakho I am not worried because I know my dad is in control and ngiyamthemba ama driving skills kababa wami. Ngakho angikhathazekile, angisabi ngoba I know my father is in control. Sengathi nathi when we are living this life singafana njengalo mfana omncane. who knew that my father is in control and ubaba wami will never allow any bad thing to happen to me. Ngakho angizukhathazeka, angizukusaba ngoba ngiyazi my father is in control. Noma ngavuka izimo, noma ngabona ibhasi lijike emabhendini ngendlela esabusayo, I am not bothered, I am not worried, for I know my daddy is in control. Ubaba wami ohlele steeringini and angeke azavuma ukuba unyawo lwami lushelele. Akana kuvuma ukuba unyawo lwami lushelele. My father is in control. Ngakho I will not be worried. Namhlanje as you are starting your day, never be worried. Your daddy is in control. Your father is in charge. Nguye ohlele steeringini, angeke avume ukuba kwenzeke okubi kuwe. Ngakho never be worried. Never be bothered. uNkulunkulu obaba wakho, he's in charge and uyabona yonke into futhi angeke avume kwenzeke okubi kuwe. Share with me your verse on our Facebook page, Mega Grace Hour on Vuma FM.